So, guess what I've got? It's an unboxing video of an untested item. Or I've been told to call it an unboxing video because we get more views that way. I just don't know. Anyway, look. Check it out. A 1972, I think, Rolf Harris stylophone. They used Glenn Campbell in America. They probably wish they'd used him over here now, but there we go. Now, when I got this little beauty, it wasn't working properly. So, first thing I did was put a new battery in it, and I still didn't get anything. So I got the battery, and it's like a PP9, you know, the little 9-volt ones with the two things on the top. And I put the connector on it, and then I held it down with a little bit of sellotape. Now, you can do that with a battery, but obviously you should never do anything like that with mains electricity because it's way too dangerous. And then I tried to play it, and it didn't really work. So I thought, what can I do? I sat and thought about it, and I got a little bit of sandpaper, and I just ran it across the tip of the stylus. Now, this here looked a little bit brown. So I got some, it's not normal WD-40, it's WD-40 contact cleaner, and this is really good because you can see on the can it says penetrates quickly and leaves no residue for use on electrical equipment, so it's safe. And I gave it just a little bit of a squirt on there, and then rubbed it with a tissue. And if you want to hear it, this is what it sounds like. They do sound truly awful, but they can sound quite good. A state-of-the-art electronic organ. Now, it says in the manual it has a volume control, and when we looked through the manual for the volume control, it actually said put your hand over the speaker to control the volume, which I just think is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you think stylophones are not cool and they're a bit rubbish, I bet you know a record which uses one, and it is David Bowie's Space Oddity. Listen again, and you can clearly hear a stylophone in the background through part of it. Very true and very cool. That is a stylophone, and actually had to repair one.